Hello all, it's time to study. Studying for general lines, life, accident, and health insurance license. We're going to talk about group life insurance. So, starting with the principle of group insurance. Different from individual insurance, which is written for a single life, group life is written on more than one life. So the idea is that it's like the main goal, the main focus here is that it's often written as an annual renewable term. This we're gonna go to the test and you need to know. The important underwriting principle of group life insurance is that all or large percentage of person must be covered. Contributory, 75%, employees and employees they share the cost. Non-contributory, employee pay for everything, it gotta be 100%. Features of group life: individual does not have to provide evidence of insurability, are not issued as individual policies, low cost due to lower admin, operational, and selling expenses associated with group plans. That's the key. So since the employee individual does not control the policy, they issue a certificate of insurance to prove that you have a coverage. The actual policy is the master policy issued to the employer. Employers are called certificate holders. Employers are called contract holders. So it's all no policy is certificate. Eligible groups. There are no minimum number of members required for group life insurance. So you have a lot of different people, trade unions, and several different people. Employee has 31 days during the enrollment period to sign up. Otherwise, they may need to prove evidence of insurability. And probational period usually 1 to 6 months. Meaning probational period is like when you're a new employee, you need to be in the company for 6 months to be able to apply for insurance. Classification of risk: preferred, standard, decline, substandard is typical. Types of group life insurance plans: group term life. Group life insurance is normally offered as a guaranteed annual renewable term policy. The policy is issued for a year and may be renewed annually without evidence of insurability. And group whole life, though not as common, group whole life offers permanent protection for the insured members of the group. Taxation. This is important here. For group life insurance to receive favorable tax treatment, certain requirements in place. Eligibility must benefit at least 70%, at least 85% must not be key employees. Premiums for group life insurance, it pays by the employee, are not tax deductible. Again, tax deductible, not tax deductible if paid by employee. However, if the employer pays, it can deduct the premiums as it pays as business expense. So employer tax, it can be deducted as business expense. Employee is not tax deductible. How benefits are determined: most employees will establish benefit schedules, earnings, employment position, and flat benefit. Conversion to individual policy: if member coverage is terminated, the member and his dependents may converge their group coverage to individual whole life insurance without having to show proof of insurability. Conversion period must apply for 31 days after group coverage termination. So it's all about 31 in this thing. 31 days to apply, 31 days for conversion. You start getting the logic. Group policy termination: if master policy is terminated, each individual member who has been insured at least 5 years is permitted to convert to individual policy, providing coverage up to the face value of the group policy. Other group life insurance forms: franchise life insurance. This is used where participants are employees of a common employer. Group credit life, set up by banks, finance companies in case of insurance dies before a loan is repaid. Policy benefits are paid to the creditor and used to settle the loan balance. Decreasing term policies commonly used. Blanket life insurance covers groups of people exposed to the same hazard, like passengers in the airplane. Group permanent life. Some group life plans are permanent, whole life plans, with some forms of permanent whole life insurance as underlying policy. The most common types of permanent group lives are group ordinary, group pay up, and group universal life. And this is about it for the day. Good luck. Have you enjoyed our content? Insurance Nation is a website a location that I created in order to find some content, in order to help you to pass the insurance, general lines insurance test. If you have enjoyed our content, please join us on YouTube. We'll always be able to just add more content down there. We'll be able to just provide some real examples, go to websites, and at the same time, we want to hear from you. If you want to have any questions or something that you have some questions about the test or something that you'd like for me to place it on this website, please let me know. I will be glad to help you out. Go to Insurance Nation at ideanaso.com and feel free to provide any kind of donation of any size. Thank you, and see you next time.